Hi, my name's Sam. Come here, and I'll tell you a big secret. It's about the amazing dream I had a few nights ago. Mom fed me and gave me a nice warm bath. Then she wrapped me up real nice and tight, and I started fading out. Now, you'd think a little 7-day-old baby would just lie there and sleep, right? I mean, after all, what does he know even to dream about? As I said, I was just trying to catch some Z's. Suddenly, I dreamed I was hearing music. And, ooh la la, look who was making the music. The prettiest little girl I've seen in my whole life. Hey, sweetie, we could make beautiful music together. How about this happy baritone voice? And here's my high C. We laughed and sang together for hours. And then, oh my goodness, for no reason, I woke up. Life gets frustrating, doesn't it? Oh well, looking back over my life, I've made some beautiful memories. Later that day, I tried to tell Grandma about it, but she just kept saying, Gucci goo, whatever that means.